So again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the gallery with a 12 by 24 inch canvas and a desire to play maybe with Dutch pours. I have some leftover paint I was going to use yesterday and it's very, very thin, and I'm thinking that that might be a good experiment for me since I'm not really adept at Dutch pours, but I like the accidents that happen when I try and work out things that other people are playing with that they like. Because that teaches me how to do things that I might want to incorporate into my landscapes, or, I don't know, even shovel pours. So I'm going to make an uneven path and surround it with black, obviously. This is my Meeden paint. It covers, it's so black, it's awesome. It covers beautifully. I don't need a ton of it. It will probably start to dry out very quickly, because if I prime a canvas with my spatula with the fan going in the room and it's a very thin coat of paint, I can usually use it as a primed canvas within an hour. So that's pretty slick. I think I'm going to be using some of my, I haven't made up my mind, Amsterdam black or the Meeden. I have some nice colors, my folk art neon purple with a bunch of iridescent pearl fine in it. I have my Venetian blue from Modern Masters. Got my hot orchid. Make sure that's shaken, because earlier really tempted by something weird and wild. I see those things. They better be bubbles. Bubble, bubble, toil and trouble, bubble, bubble. Yep, I got it. Alright, so I guess I'm going to go ahead and break my protocol, which was not to put any blue, electric blue in. Let's see if I've got enough. And now it comes the test. Do I want anything else? Oh boy, I'm so hard at denying myself. Let's put some, you know what, I'm going to have some of this purple, if it'll come out. And I can't do it without gold. I just can't. What else? I need the black. I need to decide on the black. There is the black Meeden. And put a little bit more there, right around the edge, all the way around the edge. I am still going to use that white. It's not usually, there's no usually Dutch pour. It's not the way I would expect to use it, but I'm going to try it anyway. It might make a mess because it's very runny. And I have my blow dryer. Get ready for noise. Here it comes. Get my torch out of the way. got some beautiful cells, but for some reason I just keep thinking I want to put a shovel pour right down the middle of that. I'm going to use my straw, blow a few things out. My tendency is to want to always add something to the edges, like gold. I really want to play. I'm wondering if I can just do what I want to do today because I want to do it. Let's put a little bit of the Anita's White Metallic in the bottom, or all around. Some orange with golden iridescent pearl fine in it. Some of that electric blue from Arteza, which is neon, metallic. A little bit more of the prism pour from Color Art, which is a hot orchid. And I don't want green in there yet, do I? I might want some black in there though. This is, I don't know, this might be foolish of me. Just kind of want to make a central point. Just once, try it once. I kind of like the orange and I didn't get much of it. I like the little stripies. I kind of want to spiral it out now. That is an object. Come here, object. Yep, I kind of like the orange. It reminds me of some kind of seafloor fauna. Flora? Flora. Flora fauna. I'm not sure. But it's pretty cool that it's so different. I'm going to risk a few spirals and see how I feel about that. And I actually really like them, so no harm, no foul. So instead of doing something on the outside edge, I did something in the center. And it's pretty cool anyway. Do I want anything else in there? I don't think I need a whole lot else. It's the first one like this, so sometimes you just have to let them be and come back with an idea later. I say that, but you can't trust me. Orange pearls, funky clam. Oh, that just brought something else to mind. Never mind. Alright, I do love this color. Like, seriously. I just ordered some, and I'm hoping it's going to be here tomorrow or the next day. I should probably torch. I was thinking about getting rid of that black somewhat, but it makes a nice line of demarcation between that piece and the next piece. I can't help it, I gotta do something. Gotta give myself a little bit. I just love that color. I wish it didn't come only in a set. Arteza, hear me. Yeah, I really think it just livens up everything. Do I want anything else? I might. You know I might. I think I should stop. Can I? That's the question. I like tendrils, but sometimes they can go in instead of out. Kind of like that. What can I say? I like the solid edges added to the rest. And if I just touch them with the skewer, then pretty soon this becomes a lot less accidental art. And that's okay with me. I think I need this all the way across. And that's okay with me too. So just put those dots in, drag the skewer through. I think I found the place I want my purple. Just do the very same thing. Yeah, I'm sold. I just think that's much prettier. I'm not sure I'm done yet though. I've got 2 minutes left, and I like playing with this stuff. So, is it the orange and hot orchid over here? I'll give it a shot. I think so. Standard beach towel colors. At least mine is. Gotta be careful though, you attract bees. Am I done? Boy, I'm having too much fun. I really, really am. I kind of want to keep going. I know I said I wouldn't, but I lied. because I like what it's doing. It's just drawing the eye around to places I want to draw the eye around to. I still need to torch, don't I? I almost forgot. I lost most of my pink. I think I want some of it back. Hot orchid. Okay, I'm good, and I have over 92,000 subscribers, and if you're one of them, oh, I'm so happy that you're here. Thank you, be welcomed. And if you've been here for a while, and you're not new, I love you more. If you're not subscribed, we'd love to have you. Please join us if you'd like to. I post every day and twice on weekends. If you are interested in helping support the studio, giving me a thumbs up is a great place to start. It's just a great thing to do, period. Just shows your support, and I really appreciate it. Your comments keep my morale boosted. Thank you so much for your comments. Thank you for the donations that help keep me painting. I'm going to torch to release the bubbles caught in the paint and wonder if I should put some white. Yeah, you know what? I'm not going to do that yet. Because I haven't... Oh, don't fall over, torch. Yeah, there we go. Now I've got 2 minutes to tell you guys I do sell my artwork. And I give classes at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. If you want to reach me, my email address is directly below the link tree. The link tree is the first blue link underneath the video. Sometimes it's under show more, but mostly it's just the first blue link you see where you're looking for the description. In the description, you're going to find my paint pouring recipe. What else? The fact that I use GAC 800 by Golden to keep my paints from cracking when they're heavy. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, yeah. That was it. That balanced it. That's perfect. I'm good now. And I like it this way, so I'll show it to you this way. So, thank you guys for the donations that help keep me painting. I mentioned that, but I didn't mention that there is a drawing every single month, and you can find out what the prizes are for the drawing in the exhibition video that I post. Brand new exhibition video every month, and it's on the end screens of every video in the last 20 seconds. You can find it. My Amazon link is on the link tree, my Pinterest, my Instagram, my Twitter links, my Facebook groups. What else? Saatchi Art, I think. Anyway, Pinterest, Instagram, and Twitter links also. My Facebook group for students is Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group. My Facebook group for... Let's zoom in. I know, I'm sort of addicted to every color in the rainbow, and then I forget green. Hopefully you can see that close up better than I can see it through the monitor, because it's not that great from here. But it's pretty cool in the naked eye. And there is a composition, because I did pick things after a while. Alright, so what else? Well, Teespring under the video is now called Spring. I don't know when that's going to take place, but that's where my all-over print leggings and all-over print t-shirts are. I have 1,800 videos on 18 lists of 100 on playlists, and you can find all of those divided into topic and genre. I'm compiling a 1900 list. If you need a link, ask me. If you have a question, ask me. If you're interested in my books, they're called Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities, and they're on the Amazon link, and if you shop there, you help me out, and I really appreciate it. If you're looking for the PayPal and Patreon icons, the PayPal is my preference, because PayPal only pays once a month at the beginning of the month, and it makes the drawing kind of interesting. Anyway, so if you use those, the links are also on the link tree. You'll be automatically entered in the monthly drawing. Don't forget to look for the drawing prizes at the beginning of the exhibition video, right at the start usually. Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for sharing. Thank you for watching longer. Thank you for watching when notifications come out. Thank you so much.